Is unbelievable that for few dollars peanuts you won't accept the difference of these two shoes. And now we will prove better. This is the right one, and this is the left one. Okay, there we are. There we are. Here is written 46 European, and here also 46. You can see together. Now, under the shoes, this is one, this is the other. They are perfect. They have been used only 2 eyes. In a time, they are intact. And I didn't want to put it on anymore because, of course, the right one is smaller. I thought it was a problem with my foot, but it's not. So I believe you're supposed to recognize there is a manufacturer problem. And I would suggest that you replace with the right size shoes. And to avoid, I don't want to share this experience to avoid the recurrence to somebody else. But if you insist, I have no other choice. Of course, it's not my fault. I don't think why I should throw away those shoes that I cannot use. Have a good day, everybody.